Hey guys, today what I want to talk about is a microphone. Believe it or not, I think microphones, cameras, all the gear that you use for your YouTube channel is very important. So spending a little time and a little money investigating and researching these different devices are going to help you with a lot of your production, quality, and maybe views. So what I want to talk about today is the Blue Yeti. The Blue Yeti. It is a desktop microphone. Let's see if I can pick it up. And I'll show you a better rundown of this mic as we go through it. But it's a really well-built microphone. This microphone has a cardioid pattern. It has stereo wide pattern. It has like patterns for meeting scenarios where you have one person on one side, one on the other, so you can adjust it. But I use it mainly for my voice dictation and my voiceovers on my videos because I need something cleaner. So let me give you an example. I have the Lumix with a microphone on top, and that's going to be this recording that you hear now. All dates provided on this form must be in month, day, year, or month, year format. Use the pull-down list to select the month and day. The year should be entered as all four numbers, i.e. 1978 or 2001. Okay, so I'm going to do that same reading on the Yeti microphone, and I'm going to sweeten this audio a little bit, do a little noise reduction because I did a video on the Era N noise reduction tool. And I'm going to read this now from the Yeti, and I'm about, I don't know, a foot away. All dates provided on this form must be in month, day, year, or month, year format. Use the pull-down list to select the month and day. The year should be entered as all four numbers, i.e. 1978 or 2001. So there's the two microphones. The one mic is a Rode video mic on top of the Lumix, plugged directly into the Lumix. Everybody knows, I think, the Lumix G7 recording processors and stuff are not very good. But the Yeti is going straight in via USB to my computer, and I'm doing a voiceover recording right into Final Cut, and you're hearing the recording straight from the mic through USB. So it's not an XLR mic. It's not going through any type of preconditioning phases or anything like that. So you're hearing the mic straight up. I think for $130, it's a good compromise between quality and price. You could spend a lot more money, but I don't know if you need to. So anyway, hope this helps you guys. I love this mic, and I'll be doing a review on another mic here in about 2 or 3 weeks, which is far more portable and almost as good. Thanks so much. Talk to you soon.